So this is the brand new Merona from Emmo. It's a 60-volt system. Comes in a 20 amp lead acid, 30 lithium, or 50 lithium. So I'm a huge fan of Vespa. It's just so nostalgic. And so they've kind of brought that with this one. I'm 5'3", so this is just a very manageable, cute 60-volt scooter. So they've actually, they've come out with not a radio, but Bluetooth over here on this handle. Okay, you come close. It doesn't have the voltage, which I don't like. I like to be able to know the voltage of my bike at all times because that's accurate, where now you're just relying on these bars to tell you when your battery's going down. But they did add cruise control, which I quite like. That's very convenient. Signals don't make a noise. Press that in, turn to the right, press that in. So you have your off, daylight, or night lights. You have to have your night light on in order to do the high beam, low beam. So this is off, on, or sorry, daytime, night, high beam. We'll get to see the back of it, or the back of the lights. Signals. Cute. Yeah, very, very Vespa-esque. Okay, some nice storage, but I'll tell you this, if you get the lithium version, you're not going to have any under-seat storage, so I'll show you that. This is how the center stand goes. It's much more stable, but you kind of have to stand on it. That lifts quite nicely. To open the under the seat, don't press your key in. Just put the key in, turn it to the left. That opens up there. Lots of storage, but again, if you get lithium, you're losing all of this storage here. At least you have a little pocket there. This is your breaker to turn off. If you turn your breaker off, it turns your whole system on. Look what I just found. Ha ha ha. Look at this. Yeah, so this is, folks, this is your on and off for your limiter. Watch this. Okay, we've got it on the kickstand. So I'm going to put this on high. 32. Now I'm going to flick this. $50. Now, when you have this limiter taken off, the 3-speed limiter works. So if you want to keep it 32, oh, it's still 40. Let's put it on low. Keep it on low. Just keep it on low, but then you have the option for up to 50. That's sneaky. That's sneaky. We got to see if it's on that one too. So when you're closing the lid, right, it's like, oh, why won't it close? Where the latch is here, press down on that. Oh, I did it. Actually, that was quite easy. I'm going to try it again. This one closes really nice. Okay, I like that. Those can go out. Those can need adjusting in the future, but and you can charge your cell phone here. So kind of a hard decision between the Addo, the Hornet, and the Zoomy, but that's why we have them all in the showroom so you can come and see them. We can also help you purchase over the phone or online. We're very good at kind of seeing what size you are, where you go, to see which one might be the best. But yeah, a good bike to the lineup of Emmo. Good job, Emmo.